Hello guys, I just want to show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi features of your air condition. So this is LG dual inverter air condition. So how to turn on the Wi-Fi so you could connect your air conditioner to your cell phone with using the app LG ThinQ. So all you need to do guys is press this two button here, the energy control and jet mode. Just press this button for 3 seconds, 1 2 3, and then you will hear the sound. Then on your display you will see this uh, Wi-Fi icon. So after that you have to install on your cell phone the LQ Think, and what do you call this, LQ ThinQ. So you need to have that kind of app, then you can connect your air condition to your cell phone. So if you already have that, you can use your phone as a remote control to the air condition. So wherever you are, for example, if you are at home and then you are going to your office, and then you're preparing your office to have a cold temperature, so you will turn on your air condition with your phone. So for example, we'll try the jet mode. So jet mode, so you see it's turning on jet mode with your cell phone. So I turn off the jet mode. For example, you already left the office and you forgot to turn off the air conditioner, so you can use your cell phone to turn off the air conditioner. Press the power button. So I think that's all for today. Thank you guys.